Do you know everything you really need to know about smoke detectors and fireplaces? Well, did you know that there's a 10 and 6 rule when it comes to a smoke detector? Most people think they know about the changing the batteries, but the 10 and 6 rule is as follows. I'm going to start with the 6. Every 6 months, you should change your smoke detector batteries. According to the National Fire Protection Association, they go so far as to say that if it's a different type of like a kitty, a smoke detector, it can go as far as a year. The other thing is that you need to every 10 years check the smoke detector itself because the sensor in it will sometimes goes bad. So the 10 rule is every 10 years change that smoke detector completely out. Now switching over to your fireplace. The National Fire Protection Association says that every fireplace, whether you use it or not, should be inspected once a year if you're using it, but at least every 5 years have it checked out to make sure that it's in safe condition. I hope these tips help. And if you have any questions, please feel free to call, text, or email me. I'm happy to help.